Hi everyone! Today we'll be making some friendship bracelets. They're a fun and fashionable way to celebrate your friends and make art. You'll need embroidery floss or string, scissors, tape, and a friend. Let's start by looking at some art. Lots of artists like to make art about their friends, for their friends, and with their friends. In this piece, the artist includes references to drawings and sculptures made by her friends in important places to their friend group. What sort of place do you think is being depicted in this piece? Here is another piece about friendship. The artist made a sculpture with help from a whole team of other artists who support him. It's a punching bag decorated with beads, fabric, and string, and was inspired by a book about caring for a family member. Making gifts for a family member is a great way to show that you care. Now, let's get started on our own art. First, pick out your colors of string. For this bracelet, you'll want at least 3 different colors. I'll be using these 4. Cut each string to about the length of both of your arms stretched out. Fold all of the strings in half and tie the end to make a loop. Tape this end to your work surface or have a friend hold the end for you. Separate your strings into groups based on color. You can start on either side, but I'll be starting on the left. Take the string and lay it across the next string like the letter L. Bring the end of the top string back under and pull it up through the loop. Repeat that step on the same string. Repeat across all of the rest of the strings. Your first string should end up all the way on the right. Repeat with the new leftmost string. Keep going until your bracelet is long enough. When you're done, tie off the end with a knot. This was a lot of fun. I think I'll send this to my friend. We hope you make your own friendship bracelets and share them with your friends and family, or send them to us at Wellin Mail.